Happy Sunday, you guys. It's Cameron. Welcome back to my channel. This morning we are just getting our lives together, okay? We are resetting for the week. I'm doing all types of things just to prepare myself for Monday because y'all know how Mondays are. So I'm starting with a smoothie, green smoothie my sister made me this morning, just sipping on that for a little while and getting my boot on. Not sure if you guys know, but I did fracture my foot, so this is my life for now. So before I did too much, I just wanted to get that on, and now we can start our day.
But I love when we make up like that, and you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Sometimes I don't want you around.
So first things first, we're heading to the bathroom so I can do all of like my hygiene things and brushing my teeth, using my mouthwash. I'm gonna go ahead and do some skincare. Today I did like a really deep skincare. I don't know, something about Sundays just make me want to go really hard on my skincare. So I did that. And next I went to the kitchen for some breakfast. And today I just did some grits, bacon, and sausage, and it was perfect. It hit the spot. Then I went to the refrigerator and grabbed myself a shot. Today I did a ginger shot. And I've been trying to do this kind of like every day. Sometimes I don't do it every day, but yeah, I'm trying. Okay, so I'm working on that. But yeah, so go ahead and just take this. Y'all, this is always a struggle for me. I hate these things, but they make me feel so good. So this is the ginger. As you see, I'm struggling. Then I went in with my sparkling water because I've been like heavy on these sparkling waters lately, y'all. I'm going to have to do like a grocery haul with y'all so y'all can see exactly what I buy from the store because you'll love it, okay? So next I'm going into my room. I'm just kind of straightening up again and making my bed for the day. So yeah, my room wasn't bad today, so I'm just kind of, tidying up a little.
I be so sicky, I contradicting. I be so bored with myself, when you coming. I feel so ordinary, step when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby. I feel so ordinary, step when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this habit, no. And if you wonder if I hate you, if you wouldn't make me feel just like this, what I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you want,
are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send a Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel it?
So now to the long dreaded part of this routine. I have to clean the bathroom because, you have to do those type of things. But this is one of my least favorite things to clean in the house, but we're going to clean it. So yeah, I'm just kind of going to the bathroom, getting it nice and clean, start the week off. And yeah, it really wasn't bad, but, just wanted to kind of tidy up.
Still coming over even when you're
So after I cleaned the bathroom, I headed back to my room, hopped on the computer because I had some emails I needed to send. And also, I think I was just editing the vlog to go up because I normally have my vlog go up on Mondays. So I normally am finishing up edits and uploading the vlogs to get to you guys. So yeah, I'm just doing some computer work. So fun. And then I usually go ahead and plan my week out on my iPad. And that's one of my favorite things to do.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a home, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over even when you're gone. The feeling just grows.
So as y'all can see throughout this whole video, my hair was a mess. So it's time for wash day. We're gonna just get in there and just really clean my hair out really good because I've been having a lot of gel in it from my last wash and go. So yeah, today we're doing another wash and go. I'm just gonna wash it out really good and y'all can watch me through my little hair routine. So now we're styling my hair. I'm just doing a wash and go on my hair. If you guys would like a dedicated tutorial on how I do my wash and goes or any other style, let me know. As you guys know, I have not done a hair tutorial in so long. I don't know. I just kind of got away from those. But you guys may or may not know this, but I am a professional hairstylist full time. So that's what I do for a living. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing, you know, my particular routine. I would love to share it with you guys.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Gabi, can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes I'm keeping. Crying out from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
So y'all, I'm done with my wash and go and I'm gonna go ahead and just let it air dry. I'm going somewhere later on today to watch the Saints game, so I'm gonna just, you know, let it fluff out, do its thing. That's honestly my favorite outcomes, when I just let my hair air dry. So you guys, after this, that was pretty much all for my reset today. I'm actually going have Sunday fun day after this. I know, you know, Sunday resets normally are like really slow and, you know, kind of aesthetic, but that is not all that happens on a Sunday, y'all. So let me know if y'all want to see what happens after the reset. So I can take you guys with me along my Sunday fun day one day. I think that'll be really fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you stick around, and I will see you guys next time.